how to add HTML email template in Outlook. In this video, I'll show you how to add HTML email template in Outlook. So to get started, go ahead and open Outlook on your device and then sign in into your Outlook account. Click on your email at the top left of your screen, and then from here set the recipient of this email along with the subject of your email. And then once you're done with this, click on the body section of your email and then click on this attach a file button under the insert tab, and then click on this browse this computer. So from your computer, go ahead and click on the HTML email template that you want to insert, upload it, add more details to this, and then schedule or immediately send this email template to the recipient whom you want to receive this email. So that is how you can basically add HTML email template in Outlook. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.